Yo, what's happening, guys? It's Cam here, bringing you guys back another video. I'm going to be doing another reaction video. I'm doing it with Nick. He's on the way here from the gym. So yes, we're going to be doing a Try Not to Laugh Impossible edition. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and let's get right into this video.
Non-judges, we're poor.
Okay, pick it up.
Bam!
Mom.
Why would you even do that?
Like, what?
Bam!
What do you expect to come out of that? I did that at work, you know.
The most satisfying sound known to man.
Ha! It got in my eye.
Oh, I said Dick Sword and gives the other day.
Goodbye to your gutter. Oh, no, never mind.
Yeah, alright, we're never doing that again.
This poor guy. Lord.
People ask me, what's it like to be a sexy mother?
He didn't hurt. All that fat protected him.
Bam!
Oh, yo, no!
Oh!
Please don't die. Don't fall again.
My question is,
What was that loud noise?
I want to know what her favorite color is.
Oh!
Don't fall again.
What was that? That wasn't her feet.
I don't know.
Good God. Oh.
Kayla, go.
I've seen that.
Ready? Ready, set, go.
Why would you even jump on one like that already?
Don't you dare! Hey, if you do, you're in trouble.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Shut up! Don't touch me. Please stop it.
This poor kid. Oh my God.
Not working. Don't cry. Right?
You. Oh.
So you, wait, let me scoot it up. So you go like this. Me and my friends do this. And you put your feet out like this.
And you fall backwards.
And you hold it. And
I knew that was gonna happen.
What was that laugh?
So that's it for the video, guys. How long did you watch the video without crap?
How many likes should we get on this video? Huh?
No, I must say it good. You know what? You got 111, right?
I got 114.
114. I say a good 50 of them.
Good 50.
Say a good 50 of them.
Well, you heard him. Gotta give 50 likes on
You
this
gotta do
video,
it for the
man.
Marines, you know what? It's on this side down. You gotta do it.
You gotta do it.
I'm not coming back over here. If you don't get 50, he's getting kidnapped next week. He can't get out of the back seat.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video for today. If you guys have, make sure you guys hit that like button. Comment down what was your favorite part. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it. You'll be notified every time I upload. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.